Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. My name is Yadira. Today I do have a luxury unboxing as well as some pickups from Ulta that I wanted to share with you. If you are new, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Let's get going with Ulta first. Ulta has or had their spring beauty savings event or something. This is like their 21 days of beauty. They just kind of renamed it and are trying to revamp that whole event situation. I got one thing that was a part of the sale events and then also something that it's like a repurchase all the time, but I'm actually most excited about the samples that I picked. So let's get going with seeing what that is. And also let me know, like, have you shopped the sale? What did you get? So the sale is still going on at the time of filming this. Don't think that the first 2 weeks of the sale were quite impressive. Let me know what did you get. Like maybe there's something that I probably missed that I could have tried, but I am very excited for week 3 of the sale, or actually like the tail end of week 3. So I have some air filler here, which I actually keep these from time to time for my bags. Like they do deflate as I get some good ones like those. Like I'll replace the ones that are deflated and keep my bag storage going. So, oh, actually forgot about this. This is something I wanted to try. So this is, it wasn't a part of the sale, but this is something like I wanted to try, like I mentioned. So this is part of the Crème shop. This is the Lucky Lucky Glow sheet mask set of 3, and it has this cute little cherry blossom background and this cute little kitty. It is Doraemon. I'm not like a huge anime person, but I did wanted to try these. Totally forgot. I've had it in my cart for such a long time, waiting for an actual need to order situation to pop up for me to get this. Some of the skincare highlights on here are the vitamin C for brightening and the vegan collagen to smooth out your skin texture. This is a Korean based brand and I have tried the Crème shop before and I do like their masks, so I wanted to try this one. Next up is the repurchase item, the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. This is the dual set. These are some of the wipes that I tend to purchase quite often. I made a video of like makeup remover wipes like years ago that I'll link down below in case you're interested. I'm not even sure that all of those brands are still in business, but I think a good part of those are. But this was a highlight then, and I like over the years, like I do try different brands, but I kind of go back to this one mainly because it's like readily available. Like it's like a drugstore brand, so if I'm doing like groceries, I can add it to my little cart and have it delivered home. So that's probably one of the reasons why. But it is a makeup remover wipe brand that I do like and I have found decent removal with. So this is just the original, not the purple night version. And then I got something by Clarins. Clarins is a brand that I do like and I enjoy. Every time that I buy something from them, I like their products. This is one of their like most popular serums, I feel. This is their double serum and it has hydric and lipid system. That is what like the whole thing is. And it is the complete age control concentrate. It has a little like, so I guess it really is popular and people might try to steal it, I don't know, but this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like it has honey. It's my first time that I'm gonna be trying this, and what I liked about this one is that this is both a day and night serum. It doesn't have any ingredients and that would be sensitive to like light, so I do like that. Let me quickly read through this just to make sure of that.
It just says that it firms, visibly reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles, refines skin texture and improves skin radiance.
That is it. Like it doesn't say how to use it. Maybe on the actual bottle. Okay, so morning and or evening, mix in the hand and then apply to face and neck. So I guess like you have to warm it up and then apply it or press it down. So that is what I really liked about this. And so currently I do use a day serum and also an evening serum, which my evening serum, oh my gosh, it's like one of my favorites ever. So I wanted to give this a try to see if this could be enough for, you know, both, and I wouldn't have to have a whole separate product for the day and for the night. Because I am still going through what I'm using right now, it probably won't be a while until I catch on to this one. I mean, I'm excited to try it again. Like a lot of things that I've tried from Clarins in the past, like I really have liked them. They sent me a sampler pack. Actually, I think this is something else too. Well, let's see what this is. Anyways, whenever I did this order, I picked to get like a variety sample. So I'm hoping this is what it is. No. I might have to go to my mailbox. Anyways, so this is something that I actually needed to buy. Not this particular one. The one that I was using, I've already ran out. Like, I'm like squeezing the life that's left of the bottle. This is one that was on sale. This is a Pureology Color Fanatic 21 Essential Benefits Multitasking Leave-In Spray for color treated hair. It says 100% vegan. And I wanted to try this brand, one, because it was on sale. I totally forgot that I had purchased it. This brand I've never tried before, and I like that vegan claim, so we'll see how that goes. And it has decent reviews, so there's that. And just some quick notes, because I'm seeing a lot of things in here, but like the 21 things. So it has 3 different categories, just in case you're not familiar with Pureology, because this is my first time too. It has Prime, Protect, and Perfect. Sounds like it's gonna be amazing. So this is the Pureology 21 Benefits Multitasking Leave-In Spray. What I was actually most excited about is not here, but I did get an alert that it was already delivered. So I'm gonna go take a drive to my mailbox and I'll be back. All right, we're back. I made it. It was in my box. I actually went on a walk to go get it instead of a drive. It is so peaceful outside. Like, the birds are chirping. It's so like springtime. Even though it's not officially spring yet, but it did rain like overnight and a little bit in the morning. So it's like that early spring morning kind of vibe outside. It was quite relaxing. But I was just in a mission to go to my box and be back, and I was hoping that it was gonna be there because I thought, well, maybe they ran out and they were not gonna give it to me because it was like a free item. But yes, they shipped me a box with just the samples. So let's go through these. And I totally wouldn't mind if they would have just consolidated this with a purchase, because my email did say like these were gonna come together. But let's go through these goodies. This is one that I was excited about, and this brand is actually gonna be featured in the sale in a few days from now. This is the Jane Iredale Just Kiss Lip and Cheek Stain. I want it for the lip benefits and not so much the cheek. It is a little mini sample. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. Look at how adorable this is. Wow. This is in the shade Forever Pink. This is like the perfect mini lipstick for any mini bag. Oh my goodness. This looks like a toy. Look at this. So perfect. This is what I was excited about. I've never tried anything from her brand, but I did need just like, you know, a little moisturizing. You can't really see the color. I can see it in my hand a little bit. Kind of reminds me of my Dior Lip Glow in Coral, except that one's a little bit deeper. But yeah, pretty cute little itty bitty wash of color action. That's the one product that I was excited about in this whole little set. So everything else is pretty much just a bonus for me. So let's see what else was included. Another Prime, Shine, Smooth, and Protect by Lola V. The Florence by Mills. I don't think I've tried anything from her brand. This is a fragrance. It's called Wildly Me. I want to say this has like good reviews, so I'm happy to try this sample.
So it says, embark on your journey of authenticity by taking the first leap into a botanical garden where bergamot and soothing sage intertwine with purple iris, blooming wisteria, violet flowers, and fresh lavender. These enchanting periwinkle florals are grounded with sandalwood and upcycled cedarwood, rooting you in rich, earthy scents, all working together to help you feel inspired by your journey of being wildly yourself.
Sounds like I'm on a journey for a handbag. I think I'm gonna like this one. If you have tried this before, let me know what your thoughts on it is. So far by the description, I am sold. The next one is the Intimate and Body Wipes by Sweet Spot Labs in the scent Vanilla Blossom. So I've never tried this brand before, but good that the sample is included. I do like the wipes by Summer's Eve, so maybe if this is good and there's no irritants, I might try that going forward. All right, one more. This is the Away hair oil. I don't know too much of it. Maybe it's just for like split ends or dehydrated hair. I don't know. It says work 1 to 3 drops through wet hair and air dry. Or you can use it after a blowout to calm frizz. Okay, cool. I've never tried anything by Away. I've heard a lot of good things. It is a popular brand. A lot of people like it. So perfect that I'm getting a little mini. Here is a Pro Boost Hair Shine by Madison Reed. After shampoo, remove excess water water from your hair, apply and leave in for 5 minutes, then rinse. I think this is one of those like glaze topping products. I've never tried a product like that. We shall see how that works out for me. The next little sample, it is Special Cleansing Gel by Dermalogica Gentle Foaming Cleanser. I want to say that I have tried this before. It was probably just okay, but I'm gonna give it a try again. So I have a Propolis and Minerals facial scrub. It's called Come Clean by Hey Honey. I don't think I've heard about this brand before, but if you have tried any of their items and you like them and you want to recommend some, let me know down below. It says that it is a non-abrasive dissolving salt, crystallized minerals, clear away rough patches and blackheads from the skin surface. So it's just a facial scrub. So cute that is a mini. And then the last one is by Peter Thomas Roth. This is their Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer, and you can use this on your face and neck twice daily. I want to say that this is also a popular product by Peter Thomas Roth. I haven't really tried anything from Peter Thomas Roth. So yeah, those were all like deluxe size samples. So overall, I think this like sampler set was really good, and I'm looking forward to hopefully having a good experience with each of these items. Now let's get going with my luxury wish list item. This, I'm calling it that because it is kind of expensive. It's a few $1,000s worth. For a very long time, I've been needing this item. I just have never, you know, pulled the trigger because I had one before that I've had for years, and I needed to retire it already, and I didn't want to, like, it still had life in it. So I was like, okay, I want to stretch it to its fullest, but then I'm like, you know what, I need to be more efficient. So we just need to do it. So I had it on my list, and finally going to be able to be more efficient, I feel, or hopefully. This is by Apple. This is a MacBook Pro. This is what I got. I'll go through the specs in a little bit, but I wanted to show you my item that has been with me for 12 years now. This is also a MacBook Pro, and it's like the one where the emblem would light up. The new ones, or the one that I got, doesn't. So you might not be able to tell because of the ring light, but yeah, I like this feature. And for a while I was holding off on getting a MacBook laptop because I thought, well, the desktops, they come in the colors, and maybe they're gonna do like a throwback or Legally Blonde kind of moments and bring in colors onto the laptops. That hasn't happened, and if it does happen, I might sell my laptop. But other than that, I think I'm gonna have it for another 12 years. But I wanted to show you like how good this laptop looks still. The only thing about it is the speed. So I have apparently maxed the storage on it, and I didn't even want to trade it into Apple because it's so old. My only options was to recycle it and not like get like $25 credit or anything. So if you're thinking about getting a new laptop and you do want to use some upgrade or trade-in sort of value, don't wait too long. But again, like mine had so much life left in it, and even still, I'm gonna keep using it. It's actually gonna be my Cricut machine laptop. But look at this screen. It is literally fantastic for, you know, being 12 years old. Like, amazing. The only thing is I do have like a wrist protector here, but I could easily peel it off, and I would, if you can see the little line there, I would be like sure that underneath it is like in impeccable condition. I really do like the MacBook lineup because I had great success with this one. I used to have a cover at the bottom, so like the little feet have a little bit of a sticker residue, but it's awesome. Like, I really do take care of my things, and I was just like, you know what, even though I don't want to buy a new laptop because I was still using that one and it technically still works, I just have to pack myself with patience. I'm like, I'm just gonna do it. And this laptop that I got is the MacBook Pro M3. M3 Pro chip. I was looking into the M3 Max chip, which is the top chip level they have for the MacBook Pro laptops. But I was looking at the price and like I saw the price and I saw Chanel. A price, Chanel. Price, Chanel. Like that's kind of how I'm like justifying my purchases now. I'm like, that could be half of a Chanel, that could be an entire Chanel. Like that's like, it's wild. But I was like, okay, I can settle for like the middle ground, especially because mine was like the base model. It was 4 gigabytes of memory and 500 gigabytes of storage. And I did like reconfigure the 4 gigabytes to 8 in 2019. And then that's kind of what I've been using up until now. And it's still on there, obviously. And then I did replace the battery. Whenever I was looking into these options, they had like a 512 storage level, but I was like, okay, I already had 500 and I needed more, so I didn't want to go for that base level of the M3 Pro chip. So what I got was the 1 terabyte of storage and 18 gigabyte unified memory. This is the 14-inch Pro, and I guess I can open it, right? So we can like see it all together. I want it to be like one of those what is it called? Like those ASMR videos, but I can only tear this seal one time. So we shall see how that goes. Why is ASMR so like, ooh? Is it like, I don't know, the soothing factor? I don't know. Okay. So I took off the seal. Here is my new laptop. I wanted the black, I really did, and they also did have it in stock, but I was, you know, in YouTube world looking at reviews, and in those reviews, obviously they're all amazing and whatnot, but I was going through the comments and a few people in various different like review videos is saying that the black chips, like they've had the black for a while and it has chipped. I don't know if the M3 base chip also came out in October 2013, but the M3 Max Pro chip that this computer has came out in October 2023. It's not a 2024 model per se, but it is brand new from the Apple store and it's basically their latest model. So I was thinking, well, I'm gonna get black, and because it's the latest, obviously they probably have bettered their quality of things and probably perfected it from like the first ever black laptop that they made. But I was like, you know what? If chipping is going to bug me, let me just go with the base one. I already had the silver. The silver was fine. Let's do the silver again. I would have liked this to be in the Starlight color that they have for the MacBook Air, but I'm only used to the Pro, and so I thought the Pro made it 12 years. A new Pro probably is gonna make it 12 years. Even though that Starlight color is very pretty. If they would have came out with the colors, I would have honestly gotten like that red. Well, they call it red, but it looks pink or coral. Like that color in a laptop. Oh my God. Is that the same color that Reese Witherspoon had in Legally Blonde? Maybe she had like the blue or green. I don't even know. Enough of that chit-chats. Let me introduce you to what I'm hoping is gonna make me more productive. This is itty bitty. Wow, so tiny. Where's my other one? This is gonna be a dinosaur. The one I had before, or the one I still have, it's a 13-inch and this one is a 14-inch, but look at that difference. Just a little bit. They're both heavy. Oh my God, I think this one is heavier, but it's also a little bit bigger. Yeah, it's definitely heavier. Like, oh, also these silvers. Like this one looks like more titanium, whereas this one looks like a little bit of a darker gray. I wish this still light up, but at the same time, it's a mirror, so I guess it works out. Now let's open this. It is loading. I didn't even have to press the power button. I don't even know where the power button's at. Well, hello. My new MacBook, I kind of feel like it's listening to me right now, even though it hasn't even been set up. But I am gonna get going with editing some videos. If you are new and you did like this content, do consider subscribing. Other than that, let me know if you have any questions over anything that I did talk about. I'm gonna try to put the specs of my laptop down below just in case you're wondering. And I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.